this video I'm going to show you how you can install Python onto your Windows machine, so that you can start using Python as a programming language of your choice. So let us start. We are going to be using a web browser of our choice, and in this video I'll be using Microsoft Edge, the latest version. You can use Chrome, you can use Firefox, you can use any web browser that you want, or that you have that you already installed. So to get Microsoft Edge, to get any web browser that you want, you can press the Windows button and you search for, you can search Chrome, what, but for me I'm going to search for Edge like that, and it will appear. Then I'm going to press enter to open up. Okay, so after opening up this window, I'm going to search for Python download for Windows. Okay, it is here. Python download for Windows 11, you can say Windows 10, any that you say Windows 10, blah blah, any version that you are running. So the first link that will appear, it will be www. It will be, let me zoom in and you see, it will be www. It will be www.python.org greater than download. So click on this first link there. So after clicking it, you will get this, you will go to this web page. So this button here, as we are saying, this one, download Python 3.1 3.2. This number might be, these numbers might be different in your case, because for me I recorded this video a long time ago, so the version might have been updated. So click on this button to start downloading. So download and it will start, but for me I'm going to pause because I've already installed it on my computer. Okay, I've already installed it. So to check for it, let me leave it, let me download it. Let me download it anyway. So that I get to this latest version. So let me download it. Let me first wait for it to download. So I think it is about to end, but it is taking a lot of time. Let me pause it. So okay, for me, you wait for it to first finish downloading. Okay, wait for it, and after downloading, after completing, you need to click on this to open it in the file explorer. So open like that, click there. So after clicking there, what you are going to do is you are going to search for it here. You are going to search for it, the Python, and the options that will appear, it will be there under those options. So it is here. So for me, I have Python 3.12.1. so I'm going to click on this, double click on this. So for me it has brought this window because I've already installed it on my computer, but for you it will bring another kind of window. So you should follow the steps here that are required, that are told you, that you are told to follow. So follow and install it. So for me, I'm going to press cancel, press yes. So to verify if you have installed it on your machine, if the operation has been successful, you should press the Windows button and press CMD to go to the command prompt. So let us go to the command prompt. After going to the command prompt, what you should do, you should type Python version. So to see the version, so the version that we are running Python 3.1 3.1. so this is our version. In that case, on your side it might be different, because you might find when the version has been already updated by the Python developers, those who developed Python, it might have been updated in your case. But if you get this one like this, Python and the version, the certain version here, then you are ready to go to start using Python. It has already been installed. Okay, so to test, we can test also like this. You can press Pi on Windows. Okay, and there we go to the interpreter. Yeah? Go into the interpreter and we can execute Python command like print, like this print hello, like that, and seeing it has been set. So thank you, you have now installed Python on your computer and you are free to start using Python. Thank you.